Hey lovelies, you are welcome once again. In today's video we'll be making this amazing butter. Look how beautiful it is looking. This butter is very good for your hair. Like you all know, my hair is transitioning from relaxed hair to natural hair. It's a gradual process. You can see it in the picture, and currently this is what it's looking like. The volume has increased and a lot has happened in the past few months. So in today's video we'll be using shea butter as part of our ingredients. Shea butter is a very good butter for your hair. So I am going to place that butter in the hot water to let it dissolve. When it dissolves, we'll be using it with the oil we made in our previous video. So if you have not seen that video where we use rosemary and clove to make an oil, then you should check it out. So this is the oil we made in that video. I'll be adding vitamin E to it. I'll add 1 capsule of vitamin E, and I will also add peppermint oil. This peppermint oil is going to help to soothe your scalp. You know, if you are having an itchy scalp, then peppermint oil is good for you. So I added 8 drops of that. So let me check on our oil. Our oil butter is dissolving, and here it has dissolved completely. So I have taken that out, and the next thing to do is I am going to transfer this shea butter, dissolved shea butter, into my mixing bowl. So that I've done. Then I'm going to add the oil we made in the previous video to it. So that I've also done. I will stir everything together, and I'm going to cover it with my nylon bag. So I do not have a clean film at the moment, so what I decided to do is to use a nylon bag and then use a rubber band to secure it at the top. So I kept it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes, and when I brought it out, this is what it looks like. So at this point I am going to use my mixer to mix properly. So it's going to take a little time, but you have to do it patiently. Mix properly, mix it very well until it becomes very fluffy and soft to the palm. As you can see, that's what I am doing. So ensure that you mix your butter properly and you will have a good result. So this butter is very good as a sealant. It is very good for nourishing your scalp. It is very good as a leave-in conditioner. You can always use it on your hair. Now this is going to last me for a while, and I love the result I'm getting. Look at it. This is what it's looking like. So fluffy, so nice. Just take a good look at it. Wow, I love it. So I am going to transfer this into my cup. I'm transferring everything. That's what I'll be using to store it. Let me see the quantity I'm going to get from this. Well, I've gotten 1 cup already, and it's filled completely. So I'm going to use another cup to transfer the remaining of this butter. Guys, look at this butter. Don't you like? It's a delicious spread for your hair, so you wouldn't want to miss out on this butter. So try and make one for yourself. So we started with a spray, and then we made an oil, and now we're making a butter just from 2 ingredients, clove and rosemary. So if you can make these 3 for yourself, you're good to go.
Hey lovelies, it is nice to see you all again. I am excited to do this video, and I'm excited to share with you what I have in this treatment today. So like I told you all, I've been away for a while. Pregnancy has been using me to do so, but I'm back here. I'm cool now. I'm okay. I'm fine now. So we continue with our hair treatment videos. So like I told you all, my hair is transitioning from relaxed hair to natural hair. I refuse to do the big chop. First thing I did is I started giving my hair natural treatment. I cut out relaxer, I cut out heat, I cut out anything that would damage my hair. So I started giving my hair all the natural treatments that it needs. So this is my hair now. This is what it looks like. I just washed it. It has shrinked, as you can see, but if you look at it closely, you'll still see the damaged parts, the relaxed parts is still showing in some area. I don't know if you can see the back. This is what it looks like. So I washed it, and this is what it looks like. So before I do anything, I'm going to make it wet again. I have to wet it. Yes, I have to. And I'll be using the the spray that we made in our previous video. If you can remember, we made clove and rosemary spray, so I'll be using that spray. So now, but I want to show you the length of my hair. I want to show you. So anytime I wash and air dry like this, I like to use my hand to detangle my hair before I do anything with it. So this is the length. Okay. So it's actually growing. So I went on this journey sometime last year, and this is what I have. So I try to trim the damaged parts anytime I lose my hair. So I'm still going to give this a trim. As you can see, the damaged part is showing, so I'm going to trim it off. But for now, let's do this. So I will start by using my spray. I had to change the nozzle. The one I had initially is not working, so I had to change it to this one. So I'm going to wet my hair with water. So we made this spray in the previous video, so you can check it and see. You can go watch that video so that you'll be able to make your own spray. So after the spray, we made the oil. So in this video, I am using just the spray and the butter that we just made. So I'm using my hand to pat my hair. I want to pat it into section so that I can easily water it and then detangle it. I used to think I have a very strong hair. I used to think my natural hair is very strong. I didn't know that I wasn't doing a lot of things right. So, but now I realized I don't really have strong natural hair. So the texture of my hair is actually beautiful. I love it. It is soft. It is not difficult to handle. So this is the second one. I think I should pat this further with my hand into two. Yeah, so this is what I have. So I'm going to spray in the spray again. So like I told you, this spray helps me to stop hair breakage. So I'm going to detangle again. Since I started using clove water on my hair, clove and rosemary water on my hair, I noticed that my hair stopped breaking and my hair stopped shedding. And being that I'm transitioning from relaxed to natural hair, I really wanted the relaxed parts to be falling off. But unfortunately, because of the treatment that I'm using, it stopped falling off. Guys, it stopped falling off. So what I do, I did not stop using it. What I do is that I trim my hair. So it's important you trim your hair. So the best thing that has happened to my hair is the fact that I started using the right treatments for my. So this is the front. So I have 3 parts. So whenever I have my cornrows, I still moisturize my hair. Even if I should bring my hair with extensions, I still moisturize the scalp with the water. I spray the spray on my scalp. It helps me retain moisture. So with that done, I've done one side of my hair and I have the other side not done yet. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to show you quickly how I'll be applying this butter that we just made to my hair. So now, it is important you have a spray for your hair. After using the spray, you should use your butter to seal in the moisture. So this butter will help you to retain moisture in your hair. It is very important that you have a sealant. That is the work of the butter. It helps to nourish your scalp. It helps to condition your hair. It does so much for your hair, I'm telling you. And most importantly, it will help you to retain moisture. So if clove is drying out your hair, this is what you should do, then this is what, if clove is drying out your hair, then this is what you should do. Always use your butter after using the spray. So when you spray in the clove water and rosemary water into your hair, then you can now use your butter to seal it in so that it will retain the moisture that you just applied. So that's what I'm going to do now. So my hair is already wet. Let's leave this side apart. So I'm going to take one portion, no, let me do it this way, of this. So this is it. So if you see the tip of my hair, if you look at it very closely, you will see the relaxed part. So this is the part I keep trimming off gradually. You can see how full my hair is, and I really like the results that I'm getting so far. So good. So this is our water. What I'll do is that I will apply it to my hair just to help me retain moisture. So guys, if you have watched to this point, guys, I'm begging you, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are new here. If you have any question, any suggestion, kindly drop it in the comment section. I would really appreciate. And if you try this treatment out and it's working for you, please mention it in the comment section, even if you've used it before, so that someone who has not used it will see it and benefit from it. So clove, rosemary, we use it to make a spray, we use it to make an oil, and our oil we use to make this butter. So this is a delicious butter for your hair nourishment. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye.